Hello, welcome to our demo of the ProSuite software. So here in this session we're going to show the ProTight software in combination with Mountz controllers, cabled and EPT, which is the wireless one. And so what we're going to show is how we control the whole process, for example, to build an engine like this. So we have a lot of different variants. We just will show one variant at this moment, but the software can handle all the different variants that you would have in your process. So the first thing I'm going to do is scan my identification. So I have an operator badge, can be either read by RFID or by scanning. So here in this setup we have used the scanner to set it up. So we move now from the operator identification to the product identification. So in the product identification, I'm just going to scan the order number, and the order number will call, the software will call immediately for this order number the right sequence. So the first thing I have to do is check if there's a grease here on the side of this small gear. I confirm it because I can see that it's there. So now, as we move in the process, the first tool will be activated. So during the whole process, all tools are deactivated unless they have to be activated. So in this current step, I have to mount this cover. So I put the cover on. I'm going to tighten the screws manually, as also what the operator would do. So they just put in a couple of turns. And so, I'll put all 5 screws in there, and then the software is going to tell the tool automatically that it needs to select a program parameter set number 2 in this case, which is fully configurable to your needs. So I'm going to start tightening the first one, and as it is tightened now, I follow the sequence that is subscribed by the process. If by any kind of distraction, the operator would by mistake make, for example, 2 times tightening on the same bolt, as the tools are configured correctly, we will detect that and not move in the process. So let me now try to retighten bolt number 2. So I do that, I get a no good tightening. Hold on, I just put on the results tab here so that you see all the results. So in this, you see that it was no good. So the process did not proceed to the next step. So in this way, even without positioning, we are eliminating the possibility that an operator would, by mistake, by, for example, re-hitting 2 times on the same bolt, let the product go out that has one tightening not done. So as I follow now the whole procedure, after this, I'm going to start assembling the next step. So now the tool is deactivated, so it won't run anymore. The EPT is not yet activated because the first step is that I have to hand tighten these bolts before I start tightening them. So in this way, you can put in a lot of different instructions as you want. And if I try to run the tool right now, it won't run until I have confirmed that step that I manually did it. It's up to you as a customer to decide how you want to do this process, but we just want to give you a standard solution that makes it possible to make sure the operators are following the right sequence and the right procedure to assemble the products. It also gives the advantage that if there is a recall afterwards, you at least know how every single part was assembled. So now you see the job is completely ended. I have on my display, it's blinking, which means it's locked. And so now I'm ready with this complete job. I confirm it, and when I confirm it, the job gets closed, and it prints immediately a result. So you see there the label that can go then with the product as it's being shipped to the customer. So here on the production order, we can glue that at the back end. So then you have a complete birth certificate also of the assembly process. And inside our software, you will be able also to consult that as it's producing, the label, of course, but it's also creating this. So here you have all the actual results, all the torque values, all the angle values, and so on and so on. Yeah. And so that was our demo with the Mountz tools. So thank you very much, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.